Hi, my name is Nancy Berger. I'm with the University of Illinois Extension, and today we're going to make homemade guacamole. Wash hands with soap and water. Gently rub produce under cool running water. Cut 3 ripe avocados in half. Remove pit and scoop pulp into a medium bowl. Mash avocado pulp with a fork and mix in remaining ingredients. 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon lime juice, 2 Roma tomatoes, diced, half a cup red onion, chopped, half a cup jalapeno pepper, chopped, 1/4 cup cilantro, chopped, or 2 teaspoons dried cilantro, half a teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Stir to combine. Serve with raw vegetable sticks or baked tortilla chips. And here's our homemade guacamole. I hope you enjoy.
Eat, Move, Save.